Here, blood. So soft. They're very, very soft. That's how it is. And it comes with this little clip right here. So when you clip it in your underwear, you just go like this. Just that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Comes with 6 pads. This is like to put them on. You put it right here. Comes with a little bag. Oh, so cute. It comes with the brand thing. Okay, at the end, they're very absorbent. I'm not gonna lie, they're very, very absorbent. So if you have a heavy flow like me, I don't recommend it. But one of my coworkers said that it's actually really good. It doesn't have a heavy flow like I do, but it's actually really good. She used it and there was no passing. There was no passing through her underwear, which that was actually good. They're actually very, very comfortable. I'm not gonna lie. It's just a weird fact that we've been so used to using pads and something like having a fabric right there. It's actually having a reusable pad, like washing them whenever. It's actually so convenient and it's not wasteful at all. So I do recommend this product to everybody.